Hey there, Mrs. Williams here, and this is question 2.2.B-3, and it says find 3/7 of 7/9. So on a question like this where you have some fractions or something that's a little bit more complicated, I like to think of a simpler problem that would be phrased the same way. So if I said find 1/2 of 10, that might be a little bit easier to think about. So you would say, well, that is 5. So what did you do with the 1/2 and the 10? What you did was you multiplied, and that's usually what of means in math. So what we want to do in this problem is take 3/7 and multiply by 7/9. Now you can just go ahead and multiply straight across. 3 times 7, 7 times 9, that's how you multiply fractions. Another thing you can do to make this a little bit easier, just saves simplifying later on, is to cross cancel. So whenever you see a multiplication symbol between two fractions, you can see if there's a common factor between the numerator and the denominator that are across from each other. So 7 goes into 7 once and 7 goes into 7 once. They both have a common factor of 7. And the 3 and the 9 have a common factor of 3. So you can reduce 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So now when you multiply, your fraction will be just simplified and reduced already. You don't have to do this. Like I said, you can just multiply straight across numerators and then denominators and then reduce. Either way is fine. But this way you'll get 1 times 1 in the numerator, which is 1, and 1 times 3 in the denominator, which is 3. And that's a reduced fraction, so this would be your answer for this problem. Let me know if you have further questions.